Based on some of the responses that I got from my last video about the, toxic traits in the zodiac sign, it became clear to me that some of you don't actually know what makes a person toxic, so I wanted to talk about it today. So when we're talking about a person being toxic, we're not talking about somebody doing a bad thing here and there. We're talking about a consistent pattern of behavior in which a person is incapable of exhibiting like healthy behaviors. So I'm not talking about one-offs, I'm talking about a pattern. So here's some traits that a toxic person will exhibit. Talk down to you, start rumors about you, twist the truth to make themselves look good, extremely manipulative, cannot stop lying for the life of them, seriously do not know whether they're telling the truth or whether they're lying because they're lying all the time. They will pretend to be your friend, but they'll be competing with you low-key. It can also be a family member. Sometimes it's even parents competing with their kids. Selfish and self-centered, can't keep a secret for the life of them, will not respect your boundaries even though you tell them no a million times, will act like they forgot what you told them just so they can push your boundaries. Basically, can't be trusted. One of the telltale signs is that they're always in some kind of drama. Every time you talk to them, there's something negative going on, whether with them, with somebody they know. There's literally never anything positive that they ever speak to you about. They're just incapable of looking at themselves in the mirror and asking themselves the tough questions. And some of the tough questions are, why am I acting this way? Why am I reacting this way? Why is this making me feel this way? That kind of self-analysis, they don't have any of those skills. They don't know how to have a conversation with themselves. So all they do is try to steal other people's energy because they don't know how to be alone. They're deeply insecure, so insecure that they're incapable of receiving any kind of criticism. If you give them any negative feedback, it literally destroys them. They play mind games with other people. They see people as objects. They have no respect for other people's feelings. They never admit to any mistake whatsoever. Smile in your face and stab you in the back. Will demand loyalty from you, but will be disloyal to you when you're not in the room. Will purposely create an emotionally unsafe environment for you so you constantly feel uncomfortable when you're around them. These people will hang around you, but will literally want to be you. So you will notice that after some time of hanging around you, they will literally copy you. Like they'll want to wear your clothes. If you start wearing braids, they want to wear braids. If you start wearing your hair curly, they want to wear their hair curly. If you start wearing wigs, they want to wear wigs. You get the idea. They will bully you. They will give you the silent treatment. And they will use these things as like emotional punishment tools to get you back in line, just to kind of get you exactly where they want you, because where they want you is to be emotionally unbalanced, so you never really know where you stand with them. So when I'm talking about someone that's toxic, typically this is going to be someone that has suffered a lot of trauma but has never actually addressed it. So address your trauma.
Follow for part
Go
2.
to therapy.